Exercise 2.4, question number 3. Now here we will do multiplication of 3.62 into 100. So firstly we will multiply the digits. So it will be 36200. Now as we see in multiply, the point moves to the right. As many number of zeros are here, so there are two zeros. So the point will go two digits to the right. So from here, point will go here. So our answer will be 362.0. Here 43.07 multiplied by 100. So firstly we will write 430700. Now we know that point is going to move two digits to the right because there is a 100. There are two zeros. So point will move from here to here. So the answer will be 4307.0. Similarly, moving to the next one, 5 into 100, you will write down it's a 500 because there are two zeros. So point will move from here to here, two digits to the right. In multiply, the point moves two digits to the right. So what we will have 50.0. Next, 8 into 10, we will write down it is 80. Now, as the point is here, okay, there is a 0, point is here, and there is a 10. So point is going to move only one digit to the right. So the point will come here. So the answer will become 0.80. Moving on to the next part, 9 into 100, let us say it's 900. Now, as we see, there are two zeros, point is here. So from here, the point is going to move two digits to the right because there are two zeros. There is a 100, there are two zeros. So point is going to move two digits to the right. So the answer will become 90.0. Then we have 0.03 into 1000. 3 into 1000 is 3000. Now, as there are three zeros, that means point is going to move three digits to the right. So point is here. From here, the point needs to moving three digits to the right because there are three zeros. There's a 1000. So the point will be moving here. So the answer will be 30.0. This is the final answer.